some of the operations of Vivaro are focused upon esports.
Yes, indeed.
right?
Yeah, we have several business units, and one of them is we call it Vivaro Gaming.
Yeah.
And in Vivaro Gaming, we have this company. It's called Liga Ace, which what we do, we are, let's say, like an enabler for all the publishers to do the tournaments they have in the Americas, in the whole continent, in Spanish, in English, and in Portuguese. We do the production, we organize the tournaments, we in our facilities in Monterrey or in their venues. So we've been doing that for the last 5 years. It's an exciting, very exciting industry, and then we do the transmission through either Facebook or Twitch.
Tell me a little bit about your focus and what you're doing in the networking and data center connectivity world nowadays.
Well,
we are growing the network because we want to be prepared for the demand of the high capacity that our customers are requiring for do the interconnection between data centers that are located in Mexico, but they need connect to all the data centers that are putting the services in the clouds that are in US. So we are preparing the network for that expansion. We are adding more capacity. We are adding more fiber. And we want to take advantage of the network that we have. For many years, our network is one of the fastest network between Querétaro and the border with the US.
Okay. So you connect from Mexico up to McAllen, I believe,
exactly,
right?
Yes.
yeah,
Okay.
exactly. And then from we go from McAllen to Dallas, which is
All the way to Dallas now.
the main hub. So we already have infrastructure between McAllen and Dallas. We are adding more equipment there. We are adding capacity. And in Mexico, we are putting a new fiber optic cable.
Correct.
And we want to be prepared because the demand is huge, and many data centers are now in Querétaro, and it seems that will be more in the near future. So we want to be prepared.
How do we help the data center operators, builders be prepared for how much connectivity they're actually going to need?
In the past, we used to deliver for the hyperscalers mainly 100 gig links. Now they are requesting 400 gig links.
Okay.
So we want to be prepared for that kind of connectivity, and not just that. There are some hyperscalers that they want to have a network in Mexico, so we can help them.
yes,
Yeah,
absolutely.
It is our objective is to facilitate the integration and the interconnection for the hyperscalers. Yeah, sure.
And it's certainly amazing to see both the growth in the business that y'all are seeing, that you're driving, the quality of the service, the capacity you're able to provide, but also, I mean, from a heritage and legacy. I mean, your dad started the company how long ago?
60 years ago.
60
Yeah,
years
we've
ago.
been in the telecommunications industry since many moons ago. Yeah, back in 1962 with a paging service actually in 1965.
He sort of invented paging
Yeah,
back then,
yeah,
from what I
yeah,
recall, right?
indeed,
So
correct.
what are the biggest lessons that you've learned from your dad, from how long you've been in the business over the past 60 years?
Well, it's our core values in general, which is adaptability, flexibility,
Adaptability,
flexibility, resilience,
resilience. We all need that nowadays.
passion.
Passion.